Listen closely. That delicate melody, the vibrant flutter, these are the sounds and voices of the birds. They fill our world with beauty, connect us to nature, and play a vital role in our shared ecosystem. But their songs are fading. Birds are under threat. Every day, we lose more of these precious creatures. We have the power to change this. A simple choice to reduce waste, support conservation, protect bird habitats. It can all make a world of difference. Remember, as the birds go, so do we. Please protect the birds.